Hi there. Welcome to part 2 of how to arrange music. Before we get to the actual arranging, once again, in the last video, we looked at how to count and clap various rhythms. Trying to close up my metronome here, and I will just do that in other times. Now we need to know how to hear notes, because those are the two things that you put together and then you're able to arrange music. So what's helpful is to understand your intervals. So you can tell like I'll say in a future video, one of the first things you need to do when you're arranging music is to understand what key it's in. So let's say it's in C major. So you should know what, hopefully you know what major and minor keys sound like. Here's C major. Here's C minor. Hopefully I don't mess this up because it's kind of hard to tell on the keyboard. So listen to the C major chord. What's the difference? In the chords, the third, it's brought down to a flat. And the major one sounds happy to me. The minor one kind of sounds sadder. And that's not the only chords there are. It won't let me push all the keys at the same time for some reason, but that is diminished, and then there's augmented. So you should be able to tell, I can tell that's major. I can tell that's minor. I can tell that's diminished. And you need to understand tritones. They kind of sound bad by themselves. And there's a C and F sharp tritone, D and G sharp, E and B flat or A sharp, F and B, and then, so that technically there's really only like 4 different ones that there are. But anyways, so you can tell this is notice the intervals: 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th. And then there's also minor 2nd, minor 3rd, tritone, and then that's minor 6th, minor 7th. So now we go over to musictheory.net, and you have a reference note that's C, and it's trying to say, what is that? I can tell that's D because I can tell that's a 2nd. So that just takes a lot of practice. There's not really a cut and dry way to say how to know how to do that, but let's see this one. I can tell that's a perfect 5th. The perfect 5ths are pretty distinguishable. So that would mean it's G. That's an A. I can tell that's, I can't go to that B. But yeah, 6th, that's a 6th, I can tell, so A. It's weird, it plays the note as you get it right. It's kind of weird. Let me see if I can change the settings. move this thing. Next question after replay. Note names. Let's try classic. Let's try can I make sharps and flats too? Probably should have figured this out before I made the video. Sorry. Let's see. Next question, challenge mode, pitch, reference. Nah. Notes. Oh, there we go. Now we're adding these. Okay. Once again, that's the 6th. I can tell that's an F. Perfect 4th. I can tell that's a G. That was just a tritone to the G, so I know that's a C sharp. F. I can tell because that sounds like a major third to the C sharp. I can tell that that is the augmented of the C. I mean, well, technically major or minor 6th, so that would mean G sharp. E flat. D. D again. B. All right, and you get the idea. You get the idea. I could do that all day, but you just need to understand your intervals. Like, oh, I can tell that's like that, just like I was just doing. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.